If you're choosing between data engineer and data scientist, then you're probably making this mistake. Most people think they're similar roles. They're not. Let's make this simple. Data engineers build the systems, whereas data scientists analyze the data. One builds the pipeline, the other uses it. Here's where people get confused. Everyone wants to be a data scientist because it sounds cooler, but in reality, most companies need more data engineers. Let's look at a real example. Think about a food delivery app. A data engineer builds a system collecting orders, tracking, and user data. A data scientist analyzes the data to improve recommendations. No engineers equals no data. No data equals no analysis. Choose data engineering if you like coding and building systems. Choose data science if you like analysis, stats, and insights. If you're serious about getting into tech, subscribe to TechStack Forge and start building real skills.